and we have to know the significance of this day to work. So before starting the program, I want to call one of the students here for recitation of the Holy Quran, and we could go ahead and carry on our program. So please welcome Mr. Harun for recitation of the Holy Quran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم والسماء بنيناها بأيد وإنا لموسعون والأرض فرشناها فنعم الماهدون.
Initiating in the glorious name of Almighty Allah, most gracious and merciful, who's the Lord of Lords and who's the Lord of the Day of Judgment. Respected teachers and rising shining stars of Praxis, I welcome you all in this fabulous gathering from the core of my heart with Islamic salutation. Assalamu alaikum. It's me, Muhammad Rehan, student of IT with a very special personality and Grafat, and I'm very thankful to the management of Praxis that they have given me opportunity to stand here in front of you and share my views and thoughts about the slavery in Pakistan. Pakistan is an independent state, it's our homeland, but being a land of Muslims, being an independent state, being our land, we are living here as slaves. Why? What's our mistake? Is this our mistake that we have given blood for this land? Or is this our mistake that we have sacrificed the protection for this land?
May peace, mercy, and blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be upon you all. In this special occasion, I would like to deliver some ideas, some topics, some point, and that is never give up, never ever give up. My fellows, what do you do when it seems like the suffering wouldn't stop? What do you do when it feels like your pain doesn't stop? You are laying on the net and gasping and you do not know what you are gonna do. People asking you how you are and you say fine, but you are not fine and they will never know that. ना मैं गिरा ना मेरे उम्मीदों के मीनार गिरे, ना मैं गिरा ना मेरे उम्मीदों के मीनार गिरे, और कुछ लोग मुझे गिराने में कई बार गिरे।
It reminds us the struggles and sacrifices of all our ancestors to secure a separate homeland for us. Since then, every year we celebrate Independence Day on 14th August. Independence is not only about to celebrate the past. In fact, it's about to look forward to the future.
Slogan was raised. We want freedom. We want a separate state. And we want nothing except Pakistan. Each darkness has a night. Each night has a morning. Each barbarity has a solution. And each moment has a plan.
Language is that source in which we people deliver our expression, our thought to other person through a specific word, through a specific language. So we call it that is a language.
Allah said in the Holy Quran, "Ma kana Muhammadun aba ahadin min rijalikum, walakin Rasulullah wa khatamun nabiyyin." Muhammad is not the father of anyone of your men, but the messenger of Allah, God and the seal of all other prophets. If any person are not accept Islam, so on doomsday when Allah Ta'ala inflict him in hell.
न जाने कौन दुआओं में याद करता है, न जाने कौन दुआओं में याद करता है, ये डूबता हुआ समंदर उछाल देता है। न हो जहाँ वही नफरतों का कब्जा है, न हो जहाँ वही नफरतों का कब्जा है, वफा तो उस भी गली में सरतरेज गुजरी है, जहाँ पर उल्फत और शफकत को भूलते देखो, जहाँ पर उल्फत और शफकत को भूलते देखो, समझ लो वहाँ से कोई मार जरूर।
कौन सी क्लास में हो? 9th। अच्छा 9th स्टूडेंट अभी हो गए 10th में। अच्छा 10th में करवा लोगे माशाल्लाह।
Great hand clapping for his calligraphy.